WBA stock analysis tomorrow and onward. In this 1 minute video, I'm telling you whether Walgreens Boots Alliance stock is a buy or not for me. So watch this short video till the end. We're sitting at $11.75 and it is 30% almost up. I know it's 30% now, but you still have to understand that we're inside a supply zone. For me to not be in the supply area that I've figured, you know, this whole thing being here. Yeah, that's the supply zone. I don't know why it's doing here. It must break with a full candle close above 1201 for a second time. And because now we're in a no man's land, I mean, I don't know like where the pre-market is going to be. Even if it just opens here, you know, it's still not a full bullish range because it just won't break. But if it gives me this break in character or just a double, you know, double break of the ranges, then and only then I'll take things lower. And that's my confirmation. You're like, I mean, again, I'm just sticking to my strategy that I've refined over 34,000 videos. So it's not financial advice. It's my opinion. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye.